For the record, please state your name.
Jim Lindsay.
State your goddamn name.
Dexter Morgan.
We've had some deaths in Iron Lake that are very similar to an old Miami Metro case. Do you remember the Bay Harbor butcher?
Cristo. That was a gruesome one.
What can you tell me about Sergeant Dokes?
I sat next to him every day for 10 years.
Do you believe that he did it?
I did at the time, but there were a few other theories. My ex-wife, my old captain, actually thought it was someone else in the precinct.
Who?
Dexter Morgan, but he died years ago. Madre de Dios.